Hi there, my name is Danny Solemn, and I'm the founder of Decryptionary.com. That's the simplest crypto dictionary and beginner's guide. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to the basic concepts around cryptocurrencies. We're going to touch on the 13 major common cryptocurrency words that everyone needs to know. Then we're going to touch on the 5 different categories that you can classify cryptocurrencies into, and finally the 8 resources you should be using right now. Before I go on, here's a quick disclaimer. Nothing published by me or Decryptionary should be taken as investment advice. In fact, before you invest in anything, make sure you do your own research. Next, we've got something super important. This is the public key, private key, and the old address. These are all really important, and I'm going to keep it super simple here for you. The public key is not really used by you. It's not actually visible by anyone until you send money out of, you have a stack of Bitcoin and you send it out, suddenly your public key is visible on the blockchain. Until you've done that, your public key is hidden. What you use when you want to receive Bitcoin is you use your address. You share that with friends, you share that with businesses, you put it on your website. I've got my address sitting on my website for a whole bunch of different accounts. Think of it like an email address. That's how you can receive crypto. And then you've got your private key. Let's be super clear. We need to be 100% clear on this. Never, ever share your private key with anyone. You need to be extremely careful if you ever decide to enter it in on a website. For example, if you go to mycrypto.com, which is the new MyEther wallet, then you will find that they really suggest you do not enter your private key there. That's because people can fake that website. There's a whole bunch of fake MyEther wallets, fake MyCryptos, and you enter your private key in there, suddenly your crypto is gone. Whoever holds your private key has complete and 100% access to your crypto. So private key, never share. Right? Clear? Okay. And our final word is wallet. Wallet is a little bit misleading for most people. It was definitely misleading for me. The thing is, when most people think about a wallet, they're thinking they can kind of stuff money inside of it. With cryptocurrency wallets, you don't actually put money into anything. A wallet is a gateway. It is your access point to the blockchain. And your crypto never leaves the blockchain. It's always right in there. So here's you, this beautiful stick figure, and you've got your private key. Private key is the only one that lets you access your wallet. So your private key gives you access to your wallet, which gives you access to the blockchain, which gives you access to crypto. When you receive crypto from someone else, this is your neighbor, and he's giving you some crypto. What's really happening is he's got his crypto over here, and he tells the blockchain, hey buddy, this now belongs to you. To keep things really simple, think of the wallet as essentially locking away access to your cryptocurrency, and you use your key to get into the wallet to get your crypto. Cool? So that is actually our final word. We are now moving on to the 5 different categories of cryptocurrency. You now know what key, address, and wallet means. Believe it or not, that's my final definitions video. We've only got 2 more videos. The next one coming up is categories, and the final video is on those 8 tools. I hope you're ready, because it's going to be simple, visual, and entertaining. I'll see you in my next video.